Where my dragon folks at? I'm feeling whimsical. You need white, blue, green, black, yellow, not that much yellow. A lot came out at once. Big flat brush, medium round brush. If you want, you can get an itty bitty teeny round brush if you want to get really detailed. I know how you dragon people are. And don't forget, look around and find a big circle. That would be cool. That's cool too. Circle. You can't even see that. There's a circle there. Big old brush. And we're getting yellow and white. Around your moon. Scrape the brush. A scoop of green. That's a little bit of our yellow. Around the yellow. Scrape it off. With that kind of clean brush, go right on that line. Streaky, streaky. Scrape the brush. Blue. A little bit of your green. Around the green. Let's take that blue all the way down. Scrape the brush. Time for black. Just a tiny bit. Just in the corners. And then rinse your brush. Cleanish brush between the colors. Black into blue. Nice and gentle. Let's grab some white and paint that whole moon. Just white. Get it on there. See how I can turn my brush this way and just pull a nice line all the way on that outline. There's my moon. Scoop of white, half a scoop of blue, and a dab of black. Let's dab, dab, dab. Scrape your brush. Blend in the dabbies a little more. Leave some a little darker. Let some blend in a little more. Cool. Now take the end of any brush and dip it in white. Stamp on some dots. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Let it dry and get some chalk. Actually, get a pencil. I got my Sharpie. Start with some easy shapes. The first one is a long loaf of bread at an angle. Second one is a connecting little loaf of bread at the other angle. A down triangle, long, kind of roundy triangle. Head is like an arrow shape at the end of the triangle, but the top of the arrowhead is taller than the bottom one. And then just connect them with a swoop. 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 Do a line. Line. S. Triangle. Triangle. And this part is straight. 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 Wrist. Straight. Straight. And then fingers. Wings. Line. Angle line. 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 And then little lines that come off that. This way, and this way, and this way, and this way. Frowny faces. Frowny face, frowny face, frowny face, stretched out frowny face. Frowny face, frowny face, frowny face. And that is how you draw a dragon. Get our round brush, and we get our black, and we fill it in. When you get to the tail, just first do the line. And we lighten up on the pressure to get it smaller. Barely touching. Pushing a little harder. Kind of blend that triangle into the line. Just swoop it down from one side and then the other side. I'm going to get my tiny brush for these fingers. You want to give them little ears or horns or spikes or whatever, do it. He wants ears this kind, and he wants little spikes. Rinse your brush. Highlight time. Whatever color you want, and white with a teeny brush. My yellow and white. Look what my yellow has done. I'm bringing that leg back out. Spike, 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 spike. Spike, 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 spike. Line, 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 line. He's really starting to glow. How's that? Let's do the eye. What color should we do? Pink. A little dab. Just a tiny, tiny, tiny. That's cute.